Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to lift a Nissan Titan. Lifting your truck can significantly enhance its appearance and off-road performance. We'll cover the different types of lift kits available and what each one offers. Understanding these options is key to choosing the right setup for your Titan. This guide will help you navigate the process, ensuring you make informed decisions for your truck. When selecting a lift kit, consider your goals. Leveling kits are perfect for correcting factory rake and fitting slightly larger tires. Body lifts provide height without altering suspension geometry, often a more budget-friendly option. For serious off-roading and significant height, a full suspension lift is the way to go, offering superior performance and clearance.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Quick recommendation. If you're thinking about your financial future, much like planning your truck's upgrades, check out The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. You can find the link and other deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video.
Installing a lift kit requires careful attention to detail and safety. Always ensure your truck is securely supported on jack stands before beginning any work. Gather all necessary tools beforehand, including a good quality torque wrench. The process typically involves disassembling parts of your suspension or body mounts, then installing the new lift components according to the manufacturer's instructions. Once your lift kit is installed, an immediate wheel alignment is absolutely essential. This prevents premature tire wear and ensures safe handling. You might notice a different ride feel, possibly firmer or softer, depending on the kit. It's also vital to retorque all suspension bolts after about 50 to 100 miles of driving to ensure everything remains secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.